In this tutorial, I will show you how to use Canva for a sublimation mug template. First, open Canva in your browser and log into your account. If you do not have an account yet, you can create one for free. Once you are on the Canva homepage, click Create a Design in the top right corner. Next, choose Custom Size so you can set the exact dimensions for your mug design. Enter 8.2, 4 inches for the width and 4 inches for the height. This size fits most standard sublimation mugs and allows the design to wrap properly around the mug. After entering the dimensions, click Create New Design. A blank canvas will open with the correct size for your mug template. Now start creating your design. Go to the Elements section on the left side and search for graphics, icons or illustrations you want to use on your mug. Click any element to add it to your canvas, then resize and position it where you want it to appear on the mug. Next, add text to your design. Click Text in the left menu and choose Add a Heading or Add a Text Box. Type your quote, name or message for the mug design. You can change the font, color and size using the options in the top toolbar. Position the text so it looks balanced across the template. Since the design wraps around the mug, keep important elements near the center area. You can also add shapes, patterns or backgrounds from the Elements section to make the design more creative. Take a moment to review your design and make sure everything is aligned and easy to read. When your mug design is ready, click Share and then Download. Choose PNG or PDF print so your template is ready for sublimation printing.